The Wallingford Public Schools and the Public Library are excited to share that we have worked together to provide new decodable kits for checkout at the public library. So, what are in these kits? These kits include decodable texts that are often called accountable texts, as they are designed to provide students the opportunity to practice a skill that has been taught on boosting the confidence of the reader. These are the type of texts that are actively used in Wallingford Public School classrooms.
Why are these types of texts helpful when students are learning to read? We all know how important it is to practice something that we want to do well, and reading is no different. After a student is taught about a spelling pattern or phonics rule, using a decodable text that focuses on that same skill allows them to apply what they have learned. We know that learning will only stick when given the opportunity to practice. This staircase is a simplified view of the steps that students take when learning how to read. If you are unsure of where your child is on their journey in learning to read, you can reach out to your child's teacher for guidance.
Here at the Wallingford Public Library, we have 19 unique decodable kits. Each kit contains a few texts on similar skills and a laminated sheet with guidance from the publisher on how to use the included texts. You can find these decodable kits in the beginning reader section. They are kept in bins on top of the bookshelves. Signs on the wall list all of our available kits. Please ask at the desk if you have trouble locating the kit you need or are unable to reach the bins. And as always, if you have any questions, be sure to stop by the Children's Information Desk. Any of the children's librarians would be happy to help you.